Welcome to our factory. Today, I will show you exactly how toothpaste is made, from raw ingredients to the finished tube.
From carefully measured ingredients to high-speed filling, every step ensures top quality.
Shipment confirmed. All labels checked and verified.
Every batch is careful blended for consistent texture and quality.
How is the viscosity holding up?
It's within tolerance. The color is spot on too.
Automation ensures every tube is filled with care and precision. Every tube is checked to meet strict quality standards.
Every batch is tested to ensure perfect quality before leaving the factory.
Flavors and colors are precisely added to ensure consistency and appeal.
Every batch is monitored to maintain perfect consistency.
Every tube is checked to meet strict quality standards.
The scanner shows 50 units here.
Okay, let's move to the next stack over there.
The scanner shows 50 units here.
Okay, let's move to the next stack over there.
Thank you for joining us today. Now you know how toothpaste is made from start to finish.